Hi everyone, it's me, Liz. So I'm gonna cut open this beauty blender today. Welcome to 2019. I just wasn't really around online when this was a thing, so I thought I might do it now. I'm just kind of excited what's inside. I mean, how it looks inside. I don't really think that there's anything inside. I've seen these videos of girls cutting it open and then there was a bug inside, which I don't think that will be the case with me. I mean, I hope. This is kind of one of these sponges that I've used a little longer than you should use it. And I think I scratched it, like, you see this? My nails are really sharp. I scratch myself a lot on accident. So, yeah. Okay, so let's do it. Oh, I'm kind of scared. I don't know how to do it. It's so thick, like how do you cut this? I just press it together. This is not damp, by the way. This is in its natural beauty sponge form, I guess. ASMR. Listen. Oh, I should make ASMR videos. Just cutting sponges. Or cutting soap. Okay, it looks kind of like a fruit on the inside. Makeup fruit. Yeah, so this is what it originally looked like, and this is the color. Yeah, so there's nothing inside. It's just a sponge. It's really soft. It's so soft. Yeah, it feels super different. Oh my god, look at this. It kind of looks like a sweet potato. Oh well. Yeah, there's like these little holes, but I don't think that's from a bug or something. I think it's just how they produce the sponges. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's on here too. Oh, not in focus. Focus on me. Let's cut it sideways too. Let's cut it like this. ASMR moment. Sounds like cutting hair too. This is so weird. Now it looks like a peach or something. Nope, nothing inside. No bugs or anything. Nope, just a sponge. Sorry to disappoint. I'm back. So I think that it's definitely possible for bugs to get inside of a sponge like this, but they have to eat their way through the outer skin to make their way inside and then build like a little place. Ugh, sounds disgusting. I don't even want to imagine that. But I think it's definitely possible. You would see it though, I think. You would see a little hole. But what I think is way more possible is that inside of here, especially when you use them with warm water, that there's gonna be bacteria inside, you know, just life so small you can't see it. And the only way you see it is if you get a rash or something, or I don't know. Because then inside here it's like warm and cozy and safe and wet. So this is how life forms, I guess. So I think there's a bigger chance of that than actually there being a physical big bug inside of your beauty blender. It's both disgusting. Always change your sponges in time. I'm your grandma from now on. Your real grandma, so you have to do what I say. So yeah, that was me cutting open my beauty blender in 2019. Hashtag late. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Stalk me everywhere on social media. The links are down below there in the description. I hope you're all having a wonderful new year and that you're having a good day or night or whenever you're watching this video. And I see you in my next video. Bye!